Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Today, I've got some hot tips on how to erase that bankruptcy from your credit report and skyrocket your credit score in just 30 days. Now I know what you're thinking. Is that even possible? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of credit repair. And let me tell you, it's going to be a game changer. First off, let's clear the air. Removing a bankruptcy from your credit report isn't easy, but it's not impossible either. It usually involves finding inaccuracies in the filing details on your report. So, your first step? Get a copy of that credit report. You need to know what you're dealing with, right? Next up, if you find any discrepancies, like incorrect dates, misspelled names, or debts that aren't yours, dispute them. This is where you'll need to be as detailed as possible. Send those letters to the credit bureaus and keep a keen eye on the clock because timing is everything. All right, while we're on this roller coaster, let's talk about boosting that credit score. Start by managing your current debts wisely. Pay those bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and maybe think about getting a secured credit card. Trust me, these steps can make your score jump like it's on a trampoline. And remember, patience is a virtue. These changes won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort, you can see a real difference in 30 days. Before you go, hit that like button if you found this information useful. Got any questions or your own tips to share? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you guys. And hey, don't be shy. Share this video with anyone who might need a little boost in their credit journey. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Keep pushing forward, and let's make those credit scores soar.